This is an arithmetic progression problem. Now, we're given this particular question. It said if x plus 1, 2x minus 1, and x plus 5 are in arithmetic progression, find the value of x. Now, we are told that these three terms are in arithmetic progression. So if the three terms are in arithmetic progression, you have, let's say, you have A, B, and C, they are in arithmetic progression. Now, that means that B minus A, which is will be equal to C minus B. So this is what we call the common difference. Since they are arithmetic progression in arithmetic progression form. So now if you move, that is, this minus this is equal to this minus this. Now if you now move this to this other side, you have B plus B equal to, you move A to this other side, you now have A plus C. So this is 2B is equal to A plus C, which implies that B is equal to half times A plus C. It now means that B is an average of A and C. Or we say B is equal to the arithmetic mean of A and C. So in this form, with this formula, we can now be able to solve for the value of x. Now, we are given that x plus 1 and 2x minus 1 and x plus what? 5, they are arithmetic, they're in arithmetic progression. Now, that means since these three terms are in arithmetic progression, that means the middle one is an arithmetic mean of these two. So since 2x minus 1 is an arithmetic mean of x plus 1 and x plus 5, so we're going to employ this formula. When I say 2x minus 1 is equal to half times x plus 1, which is this, plus x plus 5, which is this. Now, it now implies that, let's use this tiny place. It now implies that 2x minus 1 is equal to half times, now x plus x will give you 2x plus 1 plus 5 will give you 6. So you now have 2x minus 1. So using this half to multiply these terms inside here, you have 2x all over 2 plus 6 all over 2. So you now have 2x minus 1 equal to what? X plus 3, because this will cancel, it becomes x. This 2 cancels, so 2 cancel itself. 2 divide itself 1, 2 divide 6 is 3. So you now have x here, you have 3 here. So now if you move this x to this other side and move minus 1 to this other side, you have 2x minus x, because you have plus x moving to this other side becomes minus. So you have minus 1 moving to this other side becomes plus 1. So 2x minus x will give you x. 3 plus 1 will give you 4. So it means that x is equal to what? 4. So that is the solution of this particular problem. Thank you for watching till the end. Have a nice day. Please do well to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that when I make new video, you'll be the first to watch. Thank you and God bless.